Hello everyone, in this crypto video we will talk about cake token. Now if you want to buy cake, you can buy it from Binance with a pair of cake slash USDT. Other pair you can choose is cake slash BUSD. If you want my opinion that which pair you must choose, I will suggest cake slash BUSD because your liquidity is 614. And if you check below, then I can't see any higher liquidity than this. So otherwise you can buy it from Pancakeswap also. And one more thing, I have provided my telegram channel link in description box. Join my telegram channel, link is in description box. Join my telegram channel, link is in description box. Also you can see one thanks button. If you think my video is good enough, you can provide me some super thanks which can motivate me to make more video. Also there is the need of some super thanks also. So current price is $4.863, which can go to $95 in near future according to expert. And so this is the video related to jasmy coin. And here you can see maximum supply 750 million and total supply 330.6 million. Circulating supply 135.34 million. So we'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. This is the video related to Pancakeswap crypto, Pancakeswap coin, Pancakeswap token.